Hello, my name is Mary Takaoka, and I'm an American living in Japan. Today I will teach you how to pronounce the H sound. How. Eat. Heat. Old. Hold. I. High. Air. Hair. Earring. Hearing. It was high. What nice clean hair. Did you heat the soup? What did they say about his heart? I hate eggs for breakfast. There's something wrong with my hearing. Sometimes H has no sound. Historical. Herb. Oh! Hours. Sometimes vehicle. Exhausted. What? Nowadays we pronounce what without the H sound. So what, when, where, why, but how is still pronounced with an H. Hi, Ellen. Oh, Helen, have you heard about Henry? Who? Henry Harris, Hannah's husband. He was in a car accident. Oh no, what happened? He had an accident on his way home from work. How awful. Was he hurt? Yeah, he was taken to the hospital in an ambulance. That's horrible. How did it happen? A vehicle hit him from behind. It happened about half a mile from his house. How horrible! Is he still in the hospital? Yeah, he's having an operation tomorrow. Poor Hannah. She's exhausted. She's been in the hospital for hours. Was the other driver hurt too? No, he was completely unharmed. I hope Henry will be okay. I hope so too. Pronouns like he, his, him, and her are usually unstressed and have a weak pronunciation. Was he? Hit him. Was he hurt? A vehicle hit him from behind. If he, him, or his are at the beginning of a sentence or after a comma, then you definitely pronounce it. He was in a car accident. No, he was completely unharmed. Listen and repeat. Oh no! How awful! How horrible! How wonderful! How exciting! H is usually spelled with the letter H. How, hope, heart, unhappy. Other spellings: who, whose, whole. The H is silent in these words: our, honest, honor, air, vehicle, exhausted, exhibit, rhyme, rhythm. Some common expressions are: hi, how are you? Happy holidays! Can I help you? I hope so. What happened? Have you heard? I hope you enjoyed today's English. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.